As mental health practitioners, I personally believe that we need as many creative ways as possible to connect with people. When it comes to our animals, they don't lie, they don't judge, and they really feed off of our energy. Instead, they help our clients share and reflect on their stories and experiences. Animal-assisted therapy is the use of any animal as a tool to increase mental health awareness. And this dates as far back as 1699 in England with the very first use of dogs, cats, and even rats. It continued to evolve over the centuries with post-World War I and II seeing a unique need for more animal-assisted therapy. In addition to the several classes held via Zoom, students have the opportunity to visit Fields for Growth, our animal-assisted therapy program here at ERC Farms in Marengo, Illinois.
I decided to take this elective course because actually it was when I was applying to and searching for schools that I wanted to possibly go get my master's at, I saw this elective course, Animal-Assisted Therapy, and I knew that was the school for me.
At Adler, we want our students to heighten their skills and think of creative ways that can help our clients. This hands-on experiential course is designed to help our students in Chicago understand and learn how to implement animal-assisted therapy.